Students, sometimes you feel boring at home, isn't it? Because after you do your online classes, finish your homework and all, and then not going for outing for a little bit of play or meeting with the friends or your relatives' house, you feel yourself boring, no? No problem. I will make your this boredom end by giving you some project, see, don't take it as a hardship, because last year, you remember, before the summer vacation you did a maths project, isn't it? So this year summer vacation I didn't give intentionally because the summer vacation time was less, the situation was different, and then I thought when the situation will be normal, then I will give you demonstration practically, then only I will assign you project. But it wasn't possible and is going on, and that is why almost half of the syllabus is finished. I thought of giving you project right now. Today I will finish your half of the syllabus by doing some of the word problem of your linear equation. Then we will go for revision and test, and that will go on till the school open. Then when the school will be open, that time you may have to go for within a very short notice, you'll have to go for terminal test also, first terminal, second terminal, and final terminal. Like, let us see the situation. Okay, now we'll move on to the project, math project. I will give you demonstration for that only. I am taking this videograph. See, this year my math project will be fractions wheel. Fractions wheel, is very simple task. You can see through YouTube also. Otherwise, you see my demonstration, it will be very easy. What you need to do is, you don't have to break your head too much. You need to have one channel file with you, and then two different color, little hard paper, art paper like things you should have. Then other things are, other accessories available at your home. You may have one scissors. Scissors is must for this. What you need to do, you need to cut two, for each task now, you need to cut two different circular shape paper. You need to cut two different color circular shape paper. Two wheel you want to make. This is wheel like shape, no? That is why two different color. Why? The white paper will show you the unshaded part, and this will show the required fraction. This is it. What First, you need to make circular shape by a pair of compass. You can use it, taking the radius of say about 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So don't take too less. Don't take too more also radius, so that it will not accommodate channel file. So you need to take that. You can take the compass, help of compass. You can take otherwise the help of a round object like and the lid of your some of the container, or your this is a cell phone tape roll, that all circular shape object, and then you can make a wheeling in the through the circumference. You will find the circular shape. Then with the help of scissors you cut it. But both, for one set, one task, both has to be same radius or the same diameter. If it is 5 centimeter, this also has to be 5 centimeter. Why? Once you are placing over the other, it will superpose properly. See, now you can see brown color. If I reverse it, you will be able to see only white portion, isn't it? Now the white part is shown. Now after this, what you need to do is, you need to cut till the radius. Suppose you want to draw 3 by 8. What you need to do, first task is your 3 by 8. There you'll have to say about the fraction. For that, 3 by 8 means total part has to be 8. On both the paper you have made 8 equal parts by drawing the diameter, 4 diameters. Okay. Now till the center, one means 1 radius you cut. See, I have cut 1 radius for both the paper, both the paper. Okay. Now what you need to do, you need to just place it through the cutting, and see, as it is, these two paper are superposing, then it will sit exactly. Now you are seeing how much? Now you are seeing, I will show you the 3 by 8 part. See, 3 by 8 part will be exactly 3 by 8. This is 2 by 8. Rotate, you will find the required shape. rotate in any direction, you will find, before that you have marked it, 8 equal parts you have made it. Is it not 3 by 8? The shaded part is 3 by 8. This is the first task. You will paste it to the left hand side of the channel file, and the right hand side you will write about it. This is 3 by 8 part. Okay, this is your task 1. Task 2 is half. Once you do half, no, that time what you need to do is, different tasks can be of different diameter or different radius, but that should accommodate in a channel file. But each task, both the paper has to be of same radius or diameter. See, I am going to do half. For half, no, only diameter, the 1 inch diameter I have drawn, you see. Then I have cut as the way I have shown you, previous one. I will put it one over the other. See, now see, you are going to see the shaded part as half, isn't it? This is half. Place properly, you will find. Exactly. If your cutting and work is perfect, you will find the perfect, this one. This is half. This is a task 2. Then you are going to make it 4. Half you have done, 2 by 8 you will make. So for 2 by 8, no, you need to do simple is 2 by 8. See, this is 2 by 8. The shaded part I am talking about, 2 by 8. Now I want to make it 4 by 8. Very easy. Rotate only. If the paper is harder one, then this rotation will be easier. If the paper is, my paper is little thin in shape, that is why it is not. See, 4 by 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 by 8. Now, you have made 3 by 8 to say fraction. Then for equivalent fraction, you have done 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 4 by 8. Then task 4 is you will draw. Now you need not to paste all these things. You will draw. You will draw on the 4th task page as all the fraction, like, you know, like this you will draw. All the 3 figures you will draw. Half, 2 by 4 and 4 by 8, and you will write down about it. Then you will write down about conclusion and then bibliography. That's it. I will send you this soft copy. Each pages I will send you. I have given you the demonstration. It is very easy. I am sure that you will be able to do. If not, then I am there. You can take the help of YouTube also. Otherwise, I am always there with you. I will clarify any doubt you children are facing due to this. You will enjoy this. So you need to have a channel file, and you need to have two sheets of, you know, color paper. You are having it art paper, like two different color art paper you are having it. Then make a circular wheel, and then of the each set you have to make the same diameter, both the wheel. Then only you will be able to then cut till the radius both the paper. Then you put superpose, and the required fraction you make it and write about it. It's very simple task. You will enjoy it, I am sure.